Welcome to my channel. So today we discussed about BIOS setup. That means restore your computer's BIOS setting and return it to the default. That means sometimes our computer crashes or changes in the BIOS setting due to the hardware change. So it is so annoying for us. Whenever we wish, the BIOS settings are as default as before, and we can bring them back again. So in this tutorial I will show you how the BIOS settings are brought to the factory default. There are three ways to restore from the BIOS menu. This is the simplest method. Go ahead with the steps below. Here the first step is enter into the BIOS setup. When the computer runs, press the start button, then keep pressing Del F1 or F2 buttons. Then the BIOS menu will come. Sometimes it will depend on the different brands. So it depends on different brands of Dell F1 or F2 buttons. However, if you notice a computer, you will have to press the button for the BIOS setting. So when you enter the BIOS setting, this is the BIOS setting in BIOS setup. Here you can see main, advanced, security, both, exit. So in this exit option, when you click this exit option, you will see these types of options. At the last option there are the load setup defaults. Now you can confirm by pressing the enter button. In the meantime, you may have the option of selecting yes or no button. You need to select yes when you enter this load setup defaults. When you enter this load setup defaults option, the Windows frame of pop-up where option is yes or no. If you press yes, then enter button and select, then it saves the changes. Then the BIOS setup will automatically set up as default before. So this is the BIOS setup defaults tutorial. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for new tips and learning coding and different types of tips. Thank you.